My mama gonna beat my ass when she watches this video.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less young and naive of me to...
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to another video with Flaviaatee. If you're new here, as I just said, my name is Flaviaatee. I create lifestyle content, business content, literally everything in between basically. Before we even continue, launching really soon, the adjustable launching really soon. I've got one on today. I've literally been wearing it the whole day just to kind of see if it's comfortable to wear for like 24 hours. I'm actually gonna do that as a challenge, but that'll be on my TikTok. But anyways, as you can tell from the title, this is going to be a launch day prep, launch day part 2. So if you've been sticking around on my channel for a little bit long, you would have seen that I already had, like, as a part 1, I'm going to put on the screen so you guys can watch it if you are interested. Yeah, that was when I launched my seamless collection. However, this time I'm launching my essentials collection, which is basically men and women, so like essentials that you need to have. We're first starting off with t-shirts, and obviously we're going to evolve as, you know, demand gets higher and stuff. But yeah, that's what this vlog is going to be about. Right, I'm going to open a package with you guys. I've literally been waiting to open this package with you. This package is bigger than my flipping head. Probably the biggest Amazon order I've ever got in terms of size. Anyways, I know exactly what this is. I ordered a whiteboard because I feel like I need to visually see my tasks. I write them down on my iPad and my phone and stuff, but do you know them ones that you literally just want to have it there right in front of you, so when you wake up you can see your goals, your to-do list, the days of the week, literally everything. So that's what I've got. So let's just call this episode like episode 2 of like the business chronicles. I put a poll up on my community page of whether I should do like business content, and a couple of people said yes. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Anyway, enough of me talking. Let's open this up. My tripod is broken. This is the second tripod that I've gotten from Amazon. What is going on? I'm just gonna have to stand up and do it. Right, this is the parcel. Let me put some actual shorts on before. My mama gonna beat my ass when she watches this video.
My baby, my Valentine. Can I hear the making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving take out on me. I am so obsessed. I want to go chop your
I think this one you have to drill into your wall, but I don't know if I'm going to do that because my room, I always change my room. It's possible to drill, but it's like, if you know me personally, I change my room like 60 times a year, like not even a joke. Like, I love just reorganizing my room, but I really love this. I'm back in for real. As of now, I literally just want to kind of like write everything down that I need to do before the launch, because the launch is tomorrow, Monday the 11th at 12 PM, but this is going to come out after that. So I hope y'all are subscribed to the emailing list. You guys get early access. Let's schedule out my days. So what month is it? It's July. Woo! I love these pens. Oh my days. We started July on the Friday. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, GYMBEAST on the track.
Written down like all of the things that I can think of that's coming up soon. I've written down my photo shoot for the zip up bras. Essentials collection is tomorrow. Oh my gosh. I feel like in terms of launching this product or this line, because this collection, I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with the seamless collection because the reception was really good. By the way guys, I don't use any ads yet. I don't use any ads, so all of this traffic that I'm getting from my website is literally organic, and it literally amazes me each and every time because it's like, I don't use ads. Like, I don't use ads, but I'm going to be using ads really soon. I just need to obviously understand how it actually works, and then I will do so. I feel like it's best for me to close the website tonight at midnight and have it password protected, simply because I want all of my people on the emailing list to be the first ones to shop. So that's what I'm gonna do. You guys are literally the first people to find out, but I've upgraded my website. I feel like it's actually good. I feel like it's as I said, upgraded from what I used to have. Let me show you guys what I used to have and what it looks like now. So this is what my website used to look like before. This is the home page. You come on, that's the first collection. You click here to shop now, and then you scroll down, you can see the collections on the hoverboard screen. You can click view all. I had a little collage over here as well. This video links you to one of my YouTube videos that I have posted. Shout out to all the women that helped me on that shoot. Honestly, you guys are the best. Got my boy in the front, you know what I'm saying. Introducing the Essential collection, Seamless collection, and again a Seamless collection, because right now I only have 2 collections. This one, obviously you can click that, goes to Seamless collection. I'm yet to add this one on this side. I need to add the Essentials collection, which I'm definitely going to do tonight. And I wrote a little bit of thing about my brand, obviously about us, and then I have a newsletter list. Guys, subscribe to the newsletter list. I'm telling you, we send out gems almost every single week. We do actually offer gift cards. I've had someone ask me that before. Yes, we do offer gift cards as well for all customers. I'm still having a sale right now, guys, so if you see this and the sale's still there, girl, go and shop. I feel like this website that I have now is super easy to navigate. Not to say that the other one wasn't easy, but I feel like it's just, you know, I have a to-do list, guys, that I need to actually make sure that I do before the launch. I create content on Instagram and I save it in my drafts. I make sure I put all of the captions, all of the tags, the hashtags, the alt text, however you guys want to pronounce it, ALT, that one, the alt text. If I need to tag any products, if I need to tag any people, all of that. I make sure every single one for all the posts that I'm going to post in the future is all done, so that when it actually comes to the time to post, I literally just go on the drafts and click post. I love having an easier life for myself because I have a lot going on. I haven't got time to literally stop every single time and write a caption. So that's what I'm going to do today as well. Schedule Instagram posts. I've double checked the emails that are going out to my emailing list. I use Sendinblue. A lot of people use Flavio, however you want to pronounce it, but I just find that a little bit too confused.com for me, literally. Sendinblue is so easy, and plus before I actually got this, I made sure to watch like videos and stuff of obviously like people doing it and how to connect to your store and everything. I need to contact my manufacturer because I need him to ship me over some extra large to 5XL t-shirts because I want to do a video. I'm going to put the video that I did before here so you guys can see what I'm talking about.
Extra small. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Small. Medium. Large.
This is so annoying. You guys are gonna hate me, but my camera's literally about to die, so I'm gonna have to charge it and come back. So I've scheduled my emails. Again, I use Sendinblue as my email marketing. It also has SMS marketing as well, so it makes things so much easier. I've also finished doing my Instagram posts. So I've scheduled all the posts that I have. Should I put on the screen? I'll put it on the screen for you guys because by the time you see this video, it's gonna be out anyways. So that's 2 things literally checked off my list. I just need to finish writing the caption for my post that I want to post for tomorrow, and then we done.
Watching me and how she reading my mind.
What did you do that for?
Sorry, don't ruin the moment.
Boys on me, might be psychic, but I like it. I better find your love, I better find your heart, I better find your love, I better find your heart, I better find your love, I better find your heart, I better find your love.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey Google, volume 4. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Monday the 11th, and right now it is currently 10:47 a.m. If you can see like a figure moving right there, that's Faye. He came for moral support. You know, we love to see it. I'm gonna say hi as well.
What up?
So guys, I've had the nervous shits. That's what it is.
Because we launching, baby.
Oh my days. We're actually launching for the VIP members at 11:30. And then for everyone else is at 12. I have high hopes though. Let's be honest, I actually do have high hopes. We gonna see. I don't know if I'm going live. I want to go live, but I'm shy. I'm shy to go live. Should I go live, babe? On TikTok though, because I haven't been live on TikTok before, so I don't know what it's saying.
I'm in my drop top, cruising the street.
I think from now until about 11:15, which is basically 20 minutes, well less than 20 minutes, I'm literally just going to be going over my website, making sure that everything's okay, because I did tell you guys that I updated my store, so it looks different to what it used to look like. Set some goals of the things I want to reach today for this launch, and then I'll check in with you guys just before we go live.
Dripping out